Roadmap to Success. Hello friends. Success has different meaning for different people. Everybody has a different mindset. So it is quite natural that they will think differently. Making a lot of money may be your idea of success. Having a house of your own may be your aim. That you feel is the meaning of success to you. To get into politics and move up the ladder to be in power one day may be your ambition, and that may be the meaning of success to you. Well, to get your sweetheart as your life partner may also mean an achievement or success to you. According to Warren Buffett, success has nothing to do with money. It is every minute of your life that counts, and how you carry yourself that makes people around you love you. He measures success by how many people love you. Think of where you are now on your journey through your life. You may be having different goals and different measures of success as you follow your roadmap. Mainly through firm determination and persistence, you are on your road to success. You need to internalize what you have chosen as your definition of success and take full responsibility and accountability for deciding upon it. It is important for you to review the progress and satisfaction in your life. Review the main areas of your life. Review not only the main areas of your life but also areas small or big, because it has an impact on your action. Think of the leisure or recreational activities you pursue for fun, to energize your spirit and enrich your soul. If you ignore any damaged area, your approach and action get affected and malfunction. For each area, give yourself a rating out of 10. 1 means the least satisfaction and 10 means the most. In order to identify what is important to you, you may ask yourself how satisfied you are with a particular area and how important is that area compared with other areas of your life. Along with your focus area, make improvement to your physical and mental health and well-being a constant feature of your action plan. Keep identifying obstacles from time to time in order to stay sharp. When you are mentally and physically healthy, everything functions well. Goal setting cannot be done in one setting. So, take care. I repeat, goal setting cannot be done in one sitting. Set your priorities and explore how you feel about each area of your life. Write down what you want to be and what you want to do and what you have. Put aside your initial confusion and revisit them after a week or month. Without considering your initial thoughts, get into the process again and check how well you do. What you feel comes up as important and the emotional pull it carries. If you feel unsure about something, don't jump to fill the void quickly. Your desperate move may get you off your track. Your values and priorities help you understand why you are at a certain point in your life. If you get confused about what you feel you stand for, look at where you are directing your time, energy, and attention. Study your behavior and, if the need be, work backward. If you spend more than you earn, your behavior will become inconsistent with those who are financially sharp. Look back to your areas of life and ask yourself whether the goals you have set for yourself are connected to your values. Check your daily behavior of getting about people and things and ask yourself whether what you do takes you further towards your goal. While doing so, you may come across some harsh truths and reality checks before you go any further on your roadmap to success. If the need be, don't hesitate to work with a coach. Choose wisely who that person will be to encourage and be with you. Check how well you know about your habits and routine ways of doing things. You have come to know what you want to work on. When you are clear about your values, you know well what priorities you should set high on your list and which ones low. Now it's time to carry your habits ahead on your roadmap to success and adjust those that delay or divert you from your chosen path. Friends, reward yourself when you make changes that take you further along your roadmap to success. Research has shown that human brain responds and adapts far better to rewards than punishment when it comes to learning behavior and creating new habits. When there is reward, fun and humor is added to one's life. We also reduce the stress that often comes with learning new things and habits and adjusting to new ways of being or doing something. When you check your progress to a certain point, you may switch your attention to another priority, which may allow you to think more freely and clearly about how to move past your obstacle. Remember, moving ahead continually is not a natural rhythm. Choose to repeat the cycle of rest, recovery, and rallying forward again. Thank you.